The Gingerbread Man. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived an old woman and her husband in a cozy little house. One day, the old woman decided to bake a gingerbread cookie to enjoy with her husband in the afternoon. She carefully mixed the dough, added ginger and honey, and shaped it into a little boy. She decorated it with raisin eyes, a smile made of jam, and colorful candy buttons for his shirt. When the gingerbread cookie was ready, she placed it in the oven. Soon, the entire house was filled with the sweet, delicious smell of baking gingerbread. When the cookie was perfectly golden, the old woman opened the oven door. But as soon as she reached in to take it out, the gingerbread cookie jumped off the tray. "Oh my goodness!" cried the old woman. The gingerbread cookie laughed and said, "I'm the Gingerbread Man. Catch me if you can." And with that, he ran out of the kitchen, through the front door, and down the road. The old woman was surprised and started running after him. "Stop! Stop! I want to eat you!" she shouted. But the gingerbread man ran even faster, singing as he went, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the Gingerbread Man." Hearing the commotion, the old man came out of the house. Seeing the gingerbread man, he joined the chase. "Stop! Stop! I want to eat you too," he yelled. But the gingerbread man just laughed and kept running. Down the road, the gingerbread man met a cow grazing in the field. The cow saw the gingerbread man and thought, "He looks so tasty." "Stop, little cookie. You look delicious," said the cow. But the gingerbread man just laughed and sang, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the Gingerbread Man." The cow joined the chase, running after the old man and the old woman. A little further down, the gingerbread man came across a pig, resting under a tree. The pig licked his lips and shouted, "Stop, little cookie, I want to eat you." But the gingerbread man replied with his usual song, "Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the Gingerbread Man." The pig joined the chase too, running behind the cow. Finally, the gingerbread man reached a river. He stopped, puzzled. "What do I do now? If I go into the water, I'll melt." Just then, a sly fox appeared. The fox smiled and said, "Hello, little cookie. Do you need help crossing the river? I can help you." The gingerbread man hesitated. "Are you going to eat me?" The fox shook his head. "Oh no, I just want to help you. Jump on my tail, and I'll carry you across." With no other choice, the gingerbread man climbed onto the fox's tail. The fox began swimming across the river. Halfway across, the fox said, "Oh dear, the water is getting deep. You'll get wet in my tail. Climb onto my back." The gingerbread man thought for a moment, then moved to the fox's back. After a short time, the fox said, "Oh no, the water is getting very deep. Climb onto my nose so I can keep you safe." The gingerbread man, not realizing the danger, climbed onto the fox's nose. As soon as he did, the fox opened his mouth wide, and snap! The gingerbread man was gone. And so, the gingerbread man's great escape came to an end. Even though he was clever and fast, he trusted someone who tricked him and wanted to eat him. This story reminds us to be careful about who we trust, especially those who seem too good to be true.
And that's all for this story. Thanks for your listening. Have a nice day.